In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Slack 5 minutes. Lists in Slack are a simple way to track tasks, projects, or ideas right where your team is already chatting. By the end, you'll know how to create a list, customize it for your workflow, organize it, and share it with the right people. Start by logging into Slack on the desktop app or in your browser. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the list to live. Once you're in, look for the plus icon that opens creation options. This is where Slack keeps shortcuts for making new items. Click the plus and choose list. This opens the lists experience and gets you ready to build something structured, not just another message thread. You'll see options for how to begin. Pick new list and then decide whether to use a template or start from a blank slate. Templates are great if you want a quick head start for things like task tracking or issue intake. Starting blank gives you full control if your workflow is unique. Give your list a clear, action-oriented name so your team immediately understands its purpose. If you want, add an emoji to make it easy to spot in sidebars and search. Little visual cues go a long way when you're moving fast. Now add items to your list. Each item is like a row representing a task or record. Type a concise title, press enter to add the next one, and keep each item focused on a single outcome. If something feels too big, break it into smaller trackable pieces so progress is easier to show. Next, customize the fields so your list captures the details your team actually needs. You can edit existing fields to match your terminology. To add more structure, use the plus icon at the end of the header row to create new columns. Common choices include priority to highlight urgency, assignee to make ownership explicit, due date for timelines, and files to attach supporting documents. Pick only the fields you'll actually maintain to keep things tidy. With your columns in place, organize and view your work the way that makes sense. Sort by due date or priority, filter to see only your items, and drag to reorder when you're doing quick triage. Grouping related items and collapsing sections can make long lists easier to scan during stand-ups or reviews. When you're ready to loop in others, click share. You can share the list with specific people or post it to a channel so the whole team can follow along. Set the right access level, view, or edit depending on who needs to contribute. That's it. You've created, customized, organized, and shared a Slack list that keeps work moving where conversations happen.